Hi guys, so I am back. It's been quite a long time since I last filmed. Sorry if I'm starting off looking crazy. It's just a lot has been going on in my life, and I don't want to get too deep into it in this video, but I do want to explain why your girl has been gone for like 3 months. Okay, I did not forget YouTube. I just been just a lot of things. I'm in the process of finishing my school. I finish hopefully next month, and I also have two jobs, so it's like I don't have time for like anything really, because I'm just working, going to school, and just other stuff going on. But we're just gonna do a get ready with me today. I don't know exactly what I want to do because I'm not going anywhere. At least I don't think so. But I haven't glammed up in such a long time. And I actually got, like, I haven't bought makeup either. So I haven't done my makeup and I haven't bought anything either because, like, why am I gonna buy makeup if, like, half the time we have to wear a mask outside? But I do miss it. I do miss glamming up. It's part of, like, who I am, my personality and everything. I just love makeup. So the newest collection that I actually got my hands on and I was really interested is it's the Plouise Cancel collection. So I love Plouise. I love just everything about her brand. And I got of course, part of the Cancel collection. I did not get the brush set, but I got the palette. And this is how the palette looks like. It's not a review, so I'm not going to go into too deep with this. I'm just going to use it in my eyeballs today. But this is how the palette looks like. I've not even swatched it, so I'm excited. And she did release the Passport collection in September, and I think it was the Worldy palette. It's such a beautiful palette. I did not purchase it, but she came out with some brushes, so I will be using these today. When I got them, it was pretty small. I mean, they are like travel friendly, but they're quite small, but I'm gonna have to use them anyways because I bought them. You guys, I am really excited. Like, I don't even know how I look like with makeup anymore. That is how so long I have not worn makeup. It just says a lot. And I've been eyeing like Plouise's stuff for a while. It's just shipping is like 15 pounds. And I know, like, in US dollar, I don't know how much that is, but it's expensive. Like, I hate paying for shipping. So of course, I wanted to make this video basically to tell you guys that I am still alive. I have not died. I resurfaced, I think. I've relived. I've resuscitated from wherever the fuck I was from. So, yeah, I have a lot of exciting things coming next year. Like, you guys have no idea. Like, I have a lot of exciting things. There's gonna be a lot. I'm working on something, I guess you could say, like, on a little project I'm working on, and hopefully, like, everything goes well and it launches like next year. Like, my little project, I just want to say it as a project, but of course I'm going to get into more details once you know, the beginning of next year comes around. But I feel so alive, especially because yesterday I actually did get, like, you know, a whole new like I had a little bit of a girls day, so I feel really excited. I even went to go buy my favorite perfume. You guys, this is not related to this video because this video is going to be all over the place, but I am obsessed with this freaking perfume. This is the YSL Libre perfume. I don't know if you pronounce it like that, but this is my freaking favorite perfume. And my birthday was like a week ago, It was a week ago, was it? It was, my birthday was like a week ago. So I decided to just purchase this perfume because I've just been, you know, just leaving it there in the back of my mind, and I'm just obsessed with this perfume. But I'm very picky with scents, and that is just one of my favorite. I instantly fell in love when I smelled it. I'm more into like a spicy scent. That is what I gravitate towards. I don't really like floral scents, but that is my favorite. If you like Flower Bomb was like my top perfume. Like I know that's a basic bitch perfume, but I'm sorry, I'm not trying to offend anyone, but it is, and that's my favorite. But I'm obsessed with the YSL one. That bottle's gonna go by so quick. It's not even gonna last that long. And there's been so many new launches. Like, I actually do want to go buy, like, do a whole separate video of me trying a bunch of new products. Like, that's really interesting. If you guys want me to film something new, like, launch, let me know and I will go and buy it. If you guys want me to review something, of course, I'm going to try to pull up another video. Realistically, I might pull up like maybe 2 more videos before the end of the year. I just don't have any time. It all depends because I don't know if my school's gonna close down with everything that's going on, like real talk. And I'm trying to fix my schedule where I can have, like, I'm trying to hustle right now, like work hard and everything, but I'm probably gonna try to fix my schedule a little bit because, girl, like, the times that I have off, I'm like tired. You guys, I'm tired. And I don't live alone. So if I lived alone, it'd be a different situation. Like, I'd have more freedom, but I don't. And hopefully next year I'm thinking of getting my own place, so of course I will be filming that. It's time. It's time, you guys. I used censored and now I'm gonna go with trending. I'm kind of craving like a Starbucks drink. You guys should tell me your favorite Starbucks drink because I want to know, like, I want to know what you guys like. What's your favorite go-tos? I mean, you'd be surprised, like, there's how much sugar people be putting onto their freaking coffees, but I love sugar. So far, I really like how this is, like, how it's blending. Of course, I'm just doing something simple because I don't want to look ridiculous walking out the damn streets. Like, and I'm just gonna do like a simple look. I'm gonna do, I don't know, Public. I think I'm gonna use Public. It's just a basic look. Damn, bitch, I look like a brand new woman already. Like, I am so excited. I have not seen my eyeballs like this in such a long time, even though it's like a simple bitch look, but whatever. Whatever. So, I think I've only tried this foundation once, and I'm just gonna use it. It's the Face Tape Tarte Foundation. I heard good things about it. I believe this is like medium to full coverage. And it's like a natural finish, so I'm just gonna use this sponge. So I got rid of a lot of my beauty blenders. They were just so gross, and I recommend you do too because you have no idea how much bacteria just gets stuck into these. Like, it's recommended for you to treat it out every 3 months, but your girl had it for such a long time, so I had to get rid of a lot of them. So I bought this pack from Amazon. If you guys want, I'll link it down below. And it's the Velcro, the Velcro ones. Like, I believe they're Velcro. It's like it's like, you know, that weird feeling, the one everyone was into by Juno sponges, but they're not Juno. They're just a different brand from Amazon, and I love them. I've been obsessed with Amazon, you guys. I don't even know what I was doing. Like, I've never really shopped from them, and I finally did, and I'm obsessed. I also got these I got these scrunchies because Jaclyn Hill recommended them, and I think they were like 10 or 11 bucks. They're from the brand called Gimme Beauty. I have really thick hair. If you guys don't know, it's very long and thick. And when I bought these, this is not stretched. It just didn't work out. She said it was good for thick hair, but these are no, don't buy them. You can only, with my hair, you can only twist them 2 times, and it's not like, it doesn't hold my hair. By next it, like, if like right now I just have like a stupid knot on my head. I'm using just a regular scrunchie from CVS, like the thick hair ones, for thick hair. But these this wouldn't be up here, this would be down south, you know, reaching the floor by now. So yeah, I just don't like that. But I am starving. I should have bought food, but I don't know exactly what I want. But I just don't want to put that much foundation on. I haven't bought a new concealer, so I can't just show that here. But I really like Kim's line. I know how everyone feels about her, but the girl knows what she's doing. And I haven't had a problem with her makeup. So this is just for powder. I'm just going to use a Patrick Star by MAC. I know Patrick Star just launched his powder for his setting powder. I really want to try that one. You guys, I'm just obsessed with powders, and I'm very picky with my powders. So if you want like an exclusive video, just me saying my favorite powders for oily skin, I will definitely do that. I will definitely do so. Creating a whole mess here. For bronzer, I'm just gonna use Toasty by Kylie Cosmetics. Okay, I'm back. So I did use Aphrodisiac by Artist Couture. I did not put any shadow underneath my lines. I just decided to leave it like this. It's just a simple look. Like I said before, like, I'm not going anywhere, but I just wanted to keep and updated you guys with my life and everything. I will be taking pictures with this, even though it's a simple look, just because it's the first time I'm wearing makeup in such a long time. You guys have no idea. So I hope, like, if again, like, hopefully I'm able to make another video pretty soon. I just want to be honest, like, I don't know yet. Depends on my schedule and everything that's going on in my life right now. I just need to fix my schedule again. You know? You know. So, yeah. This is the finished look. Pretty simple. Nothing crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna go get something to eat because your girl is starving. It is, you wanna know what time it is? It is 12:51 and I've not eaten anything. So like what? Like I need to go fill my stomach up with something. I don't know yet, but I miss you guys. I miss making videos, and honestly, I can't wait to get back. There's a lot of things coming in the future, a lot of good things. I just want to make a more in-depth video. There's certain things like I'm trying to keep hush in this video because I knew like I had to make a video updating you guys. Like I didn't want you guys to think like I just abandoned this channel, but at the same time, I didn't want to give away too much, so this is just me popping in like, hi, I'm alive, and then like, hopefully like soon I'll be able to update you guys everything, and I guess you guys are going to understand a lot more what's going on with everything here in my little world, you know. So I will be, thank you guys for, I mean, if you guys watch this entire video, I am, thanks, because that means you guys care. You guys, you know, think I'm a little important. But follow me on Instagram. I need to start updating there again, but follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe to my channel. I mean, I know this is just a simple video, but you guys, it's not a review video, but this palette is amazing. The Plouise palette. Definitely get your hands on it if you are looking for a palette. I loved it, even though I did such a freaking simple look, but it is so beautiful and it's very heavy duty. Yeah, so I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching. Bye.